Well, we're going to try this again. I pushed the wrong button and cut the video off. But done a lot of work out here. I've been busy with Rollie, my last 18-year-old dog there. And Monday, we went and did what we had to do at the vet, so. But here's some hyacinths, and then we had snow, and it ruined them. They were blooming out. But we planted a whole bunch more over here. I do have spinach and cilantro growing here, but they were up on the table, and cats knocked them over one day, and so they're kind of all mixed now, what's in there. But we planted here. This is just treed seeds. And working. Well, when we can. Yeah, that bucket's trash now, but so I'll dump it over there. We're trying to build up the ground over by that fence. But these are what we planted last year. And those are coming up. These here, I got two coming up here. Was under this spot here, but I put a new row of blocks in. Let me see if I can back this up. Put a new row of blocks, so I had to dig those ones up. And they're already coming up, so they're doing good. We got stuff in that pot too, and the two hanging ones over here. Like I said, that one's just garbage, but started our tomatoes. Got two different kinds. That's why there's more on one side than there is on this one. I can't hardly see the screen. Nope, here comes the mail. Okay. So where the old is, we're gonna burn that down and smooth it out. We'll plant some grass seed. And where the doggies are. But this we're going to use as the lattice. We did have it over by the big gate opening, so the little dogs couldn't get in and out. But I thought if we set it up on its end, put it over here, and kind of where that fence post is there. And then we'll have some growing viney flowers there. Planted 5 lilac bushes. And they even got snowed on, but they're doing really good. Except for one. One's looking a little poorly. I think from the shock of being planted and then the snow. And first we had ice and then we got snow a couple days later. So they've gone through some stuff. The poor little guys. They're looking so good. But they're all different colors of lilacs. Got 5 of them along the fence. It's crazy. We just mowed yesterday evening, early evening, and the dandelions are all up again. Even around here, I was pulling them out by the root as much as I could, but you know what? They're yellow, they're pretty, they'd be fine. I'm not going to worry about the dandelions. Never really have, so. But here's the glider. It finally got done. They finished that Sunday. My son's best friend, so he's kind of like our other son. And my husband, they finished this up because I was busy with Rollie at that time. And for about 2 weeks, I didn't sleep. Got little tiny cat naps whenever I could. But I was sitting here having my coffee and kind of enjoying the birds. But I hope everybody's doing good and staying safe. I think I was a little late on coming out for all the birds. But yesterday evening I was sitting here, like so close. I'm probably, I want to say 10, 12 feet maybe maybe a good 12 feet from the bird feeder, and it didn't stop them from eating, and it was awesome being that close to them, the birdies. Lots of finches are out here now, and actually all different kinds. Haven't seen too many cardinals though this year, but a few of them. I know we will. Our state is full of cardinals. But I wanted to have like a peaceful little video of the birds, but didn't pan out that way. My husband went to work and I just got out here a little too late for it. So, anyway, I just really haven't had time for anything. So, just not doing too much of nothing now. I mean, well, now I can, but I wasn't doing too much of anything. Just when she was resting and staying close to her. And she's at rest now. I think my cat is trying to get out of that window. The birds are coming back. Here we go. Anyway, you can kind of see how that top row was what was around the first fire pit. And then we had put a second layer up, but never used it yet. And those are on the bottom. So we got the old ones, burnt stuff on top. But we're going to put another row. It'll look good. Anyway, the birds keep coming around, but they haven't come to feed yet. They will. Anyway, so many lilies are coming up. It's just, I can't even show you all of them unless I go stand right over them. It's kind of, they're coming up, the little slower ones, but the big leaf ones and the tiger lilies are all coming up. We did put more inside the hole. And we got tons of mulch and still have to do things, but it's looking good. And for those that were wanting to see the naked ladies, well, that's what we've always called them. They don't got their flower stalk up yet, but phew, they are high. They're about 2 feet high up their leaves. And it's not on that side to show ya. I'd show you up in the trees like the birds are just waiting to come down and eat. Probably because I keep moving around and talking. If I'd sit here still, they would be here to eat, but... And I did scoot over on the bench, so... There. Now that's me panned back, widescreen, but this is normal screen. That's how far I am from all this. But my bench did have some little gifts from birdies, so I'm thinking I'm going to want to pull it away from this tree a little bit more. But the ground kind of slopes and it's not real even everywhere, so I'll try to put it where it was. Would be even, but yeah. So I don't know what you guys are doing. Just been trying to start enjoying the outside again. And I haven't weed eated since we mowed, and I haven't weed eated on the outside of the fence at all yet this season, but I might just spray it, I don't know. I hate spraying, especially where we got the new bushes. Don't want anything running into their dirt they're using. You can hear, I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but people are busy mowing and tilling up their fields. We got a lot of those purple martins or purple something, purple spruce. I think that's what they're called. I mean, lots of them, they'll cover the yard just coming over here to eat. They like those black sunflower seeds. So I'm hoping, since we keep them fed, that we won't have mosquitoes around here, because they gobble up mosquitoes. So, but I'm anxious to be able to use our fire pit before it gets miserably hot, and that's what I was getting at. Hopefully we won't be ate up by mosquitoes. I know this video is getting kind of long. Really was just waiting for birdies. Gonna have to get another fruit bar to hang in that little cage right in between there. That brings all the woodpeckers, and the big birds like to eat it. But it really draws the woodpeckers, and they're fun to watch. You can always hear them in the trees. Hope I'm not talking too soft. I was thinking if I'd be quiet, the birds would come. It's like they're just watching me. Of course, animals don't ever do what you want when you're filming. But they will let you sit here and just eat, I promise you that. So, it's been real fun. I think where the hyacinths are, right there, that just looks hideous. I'm going to fill it in with some more potting soil and maybe put some mulch there. But all along the trailer, modular home, sorry, not a trailer. Been in trailers for years. Anyway, that's all elephant ears, and I want to say calotopins or something like that. It's real pretty different colored leaves, which I'll show them later. Sorry about that. I was watching the birds instead of watching the camera. Let me try to pan out. Okay, now those purple spruces have not been eating when I've been here. Oh, wasn't he pretty? Did you see the red in the wings? Let's see if I can get closer. Those are so pretty. I was told what they were called, but I don't remember now. See, and I was getting ready to go in, because I was getting anxious to start working outside. And now they all want to come and eat. And it's real funny. There'll be one up in that green feeder where the black sunflower seeds are, and a bunch of them on the ground, and it'd be like one of them up there just throwing seed down to them, and they'd be watching the ones on the ground, looking up, like just waiting. It's like they're communicating, you stay down there, boys, and I'll throw it down to you. With the weather getting better, I hope everybody's trying to maybe enjoy some walks and the fresh air. It does help the soul. just hoping he'd flutter around again, see his wings a little better. I think this video is getting pretty long. I just wanted to catch up with everybody. Okay, well, I'm gonna get to work. I've had my second cup of coffee. And what I always say, remember to make time to enjoy your babies. Well, I haven't been doing that. No time for reborns. So, hopefully, it's been probably, 2 or 3 months since I've done anything with them, so it might be time to get back into that. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be something I filled my time with because I lost my pet, and I didn't want to have that kind of reminder on them, so anyway, I better take care and try to enjoy some sunshine. Talk to you guys later.